Welcome back. Now, once you're inside of your website, you're going to notice some standard pages, and you're going to have pages that are associated with a particular template that you have. And as you can see, this template has 4 basic pages. It also has a 404 page, a password entry page, a login page, and a registration page. You can manage this process by going to this element that says Manage Pages, and this will allow you to take out or add pages. So for example, if we want to delete a page, we can take one page out. That page will no longer be present. So if we go to our menu, we'll no longer be able to work with that page. And we can also add pages. So if we want to add pages, we can click this element. We can choose the kind of page that we want to add. If you're going to change the name of the page, what you're going to do is go to the ellipsis. You're going to go to these settings. You can change the name of the page here, as well as to change the nature of the page. When you click inside of this element, that's going to change the name of the page permanently. You can also change the URL to this page. You can click this element, and you can make sure that the page is going to be named what you want it to be. If you want the page to be hidden from the menu, you can hide it, or you can toggle it on and back off. And there are standard settings for the page. You can do an SEO description. You can make it so that the image that you want to appear is actually going to appear. Now, there are 2 additional elements and other page settings to explore. We're going to stop the process here, and we're going to pick it up from this element of setting up your pages. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.